Button introduction. Long press the power button to turn it on, turn it off. Double-click the power button to enter the sleep mode. Click again to wake it up. Click the mode button. The gimbal will switch back to lock mode. Pan follow. Pan and tilt follow, PTF, FPV, and flash follow. Press the mode button 5 times in quick succession. For horizontal calibration, now the Bluetooth indicator will flash fast. Wait a moment. The Bluetooth indicator stops to flash. Click the mode button M to wake up the gimbal. Double-click the trigger button to reset it. Triple-click the trigger button to enter or exit the selfie mode. Long press the trigger button to enter the pan and tilt follow PTF mode. Release the button to log out. Push the joystick to control the rotation of the tilt and roll axis. Half-click the shooting button to focus. Click the shooting button to start the video recording. Click it again to stop recording. Start shooting by long press the button. Click the auto rotation button to enter the auto rotation mode. Click L button. The pan axis turns left in a circle. Long press L button. The gimbal continues to turn left. Release it to stop. Similarly, click R button. The gimbal turns right in a circle. Long press R button. The gimbal continues to turn right. Release it to stop. Click the auto rotation button again to exit the auto rotation mode. Double-click the portrait button to enter the portrait shooting mode. Click the portrait button again to log out the portrait shooting mode. Click the Moto Auto Tune button for 5 seconds. You can hear beep long ring to start the moto power adaptation. Strong vibration of the gimbal at this point is normal. When the vibration stops, adaptation process is complete. Click the FPV button to enter or exit the FPV mode. When the knob function switching button controls the movement of the 3 axes, you can rotate the knob function switching button to control the movement of an axis. You can also click knob function switching button to switch the axis controlled by knob function switching button. You can switch among the tilt, pan, and roll axis. Thanks for watching.